Hello everyone, welcome to COVID Information Management System. As you can see in front of you is a login screen. After entering the URL, you arrive here. This is where you start. Now simply fill in your username and password provided to you and click login. And we are logged in. Now the first thing you see is this dashboard, where you can see KPIs or key performance indicators. This is a sort of a general report or important information that you can view, visually analyze and track in order to get a gist of the situation. Like what are the total number of active cases, what are the total number of discharge cases. Now on the left hand side you can see multiple options of modules. Let's click on patient module. Now when you click on add patient, you can see the list of patients and their details, download Excel sheet option, import Excel sheet option and add patient. In add patient, you see a patient form, simply fill in the details and save it. Now let's go to allocate center. Here you can allocate centers to added patients according to their type of condition. Usually 4 types of centers are there: CCC1, CCC2, DCH and DCHC. Now let's go to the shift patient to center. Here you can shift patient to different centers. View, shift patient to center view. This is the place where you can view all the patients who have been shifted. Arrive patient to center view is a place where you can see all the arrived patient at various centers. This is patient test report, where you can see all the reports of the patients added. Discharged patients, this is the place where you can view the details of patients who have been discharged, and death patients. This is the place where you get the details of patients who have been deceased. Now let's go to the view center wise patient view. Here you can filter the patient according to their situation or condition, that is active, shifted, discharged or migrated or death. Now let's go to contact tracing module. Here you can add patient according to the contact traced. You can add high risk, low risk and so on. Now let's go to containment zone. In containment zone, you can view a patient according to the area. Just filter the area, and when you see the patient name, you can select a patient and assign him a containment zone. So containment zones are assigned according to the patient. Also you can view different types of containment zones which have been added to the system. Just simply select the area and you will see the list of containment zones added and the patient details. Now let's go to the area module. Here you can add areas. Just select the ward and add the area name. Let's go to ward module. Here you can add n number of wards and save. Let's go to center module. This is COVID center module. You can add number of center, select type, add the center name, total bed, total occupied bed, address and save. Let's click on user module. Here you can see various types of user on the system and their details, passwords and take action accordingly. When you add a user, you can designate them and give them a center and provide them with the password. Now let's go to the last module, that is reports. Here you can see all the patient reports. All the patients have been added to the system. Their reports can be easily accessed from this. You can search a patient by their name, by their ICMR ID or by their serial number. You can also search patient date wise. Just simply type in the date on the search bar and you can see. There is also an option to export the patient data files in an Excel sheet format. Just click on the green button and you can download the Excel file. Now we can simply print the Excel sheet. So folks, this is pretty much an overview of COVID information management system. I believe the more you explore, the more you learn. I hope you dive deep into the software and learn about it. Thank you.